Good evening to all. Just let's wait for 2 minutes, then we'll start the class, okay? Just 2 minutes only. Today the class will be interesting one because it is of arithmetic progression, which is called as AP short form. Okay, so just wait for a while and then we'll start the class. Keep your notebooks and pen with you because of you have to solve everything, okay? After a long time like this chapter you're going to revise because this chapter was totally in the term 1 and I think it's been 2 months and 2.5 months that we had did this chapter. So lack of concepts and all will be like missing and all. So with the PYQs questions, we'll revise everything again. Okay. Yeah. Hi Bhavishya. Hi Jyotika. Ayan. Hello. Okay. Just wait for a while. Just 2 minutes more. Then we'll start the class. Who is this Iron 257? Who is this one? Iron 257. Okay, so let's begin the class. Let other join later. Okay, only 6 members. Okay, let it be. Fine. Yeah, good evening, Pusha. Good evening. Yeah, let's start the class and later let them join. Let me share the screen first. Wait. Yeah. So I hope the screen will be visible now. Things are visible. Is it visible? Yeah, fine. Just 2 minutes. We'll start the class. Today the class will be very interesting one. So please keep your notebooks and pen with you. This AP topic is like little bit important one and tricky one also. That's why I'm telling you this again and again. Yeah, fine. So let me share the screen. We'll begin the class now. Okay. So, okay, the things is visible now. Screen is visible. If I'm writing something, everything is visible. Okay now. We'll start the class then. Anyone? At least keep a one message that everything is okay. Is it visible? Everything? Audio, everything is okay. Fine. Thank you, Anand. Okay, so let's begin the things and all. Let me write the chapter name which we going to discuss today. This is what arithmetic progression. Okay, and the same pattern will follow again, which we discussed before that. In which section that things used to come. So here, in this arithmetic progression in section A, MCQs are not that much. Okay, mostly like maximum one question will come maximum. Okay, so today's things will be what only will figure out 3 questions at least minimum. Maximum one question tends to ask for the MCQs for the section A. Mainly the question used to ask in section B, which is of 2 marks, which we're going to discuss 3 questions at least, and then section C also again 3 marks, which is again 3 questions at least, and the last one section D, which is of 5 marks, 3 questions at least. Okay. In this MCQ part, I feel this for arithmetic progression, no need to practice more on MCQs. Okay, figure out mostly important for these three, like 2 marks question, 3 marks question, and the 5 marks question. Okay, so let's begin with the first one, which is a section A MCQ. So let me take a new page. You also just be ready with your things. Okay, let me take the section A. Okay, section A, which is of MCQ. Now let's begin the first one. Let's start with the very easy one. Let me write the question on the board first. The question is the next term of AP. Okay, AP is given. It is what √6. Second is √24, and √54 is. You can continue with the answers. I am keeping the options below. Root 60, B option is root 96, C option is root 72, and the last one, D option is root 216. Figure out the answer of this. What will come after 54? That is the main thing. Figure out this, everyone. Check the answer of this. And if you're like getting a lack of the concepts and all, so just you can check the board and all. I will also do it. So for figuring out the answer of this one, we have to first make the things smaller, which mean whatever the questions, I mean numbers we had provided here, but first make it smaller. That then only you can able to recognize what is a gap here. Okay. For 6, we can write what we can write as a 2 into 3, right? For 24, what we can write? 2 into 2. Like separately, just do it. For 24, what we can do? This one we can do, right? So just write down that one. And the next one, root 54. So let me do the 54 also. Here it will come what? 27, then 3 table, this is 9, again 3 table, this is 3, and then 3 table 1. Okay. So it will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now check this out. What is having a pair? Here we don't have any pair, so root 6 as it is. Here 2 is having a pair, take it outside, and rest of the part will be 2 into 3, which will be 6. Correct? Here again 3 is pair, 3 take it outside, rest of the amount 6. So check the pattern. Root 6, 2 root 6, 3 root 6. Now next will be what? Anybody have idea about this? What will come? 4 root 6, na? Correct? 4 root 6 will come. Understood this? Anybody have answered this? Option B. Molesh trees are having option B. Okay, let me check. Yeah, I think that is the correct one only. 4 root 6 we will get, but here we got 4 root 6. But in the option, we don't have any 4 root 6 and all. So how to get the answer of that one? 4 root 6 stands for what? Let me write. 4 root 6 stands for what you'll do. Anybody have idea about this here? Which means we have a 4 into 4 also. Okay. For this 4, actually that they had taken out outside. Okay. And root 6 stands for 3 into 2. Okay. So 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are this, and this and this. This will become root 196, which means option number B is the correct one. Check this out. Is it okay to understand? Okay. Option B. Yeah, most of the students I got the same thing. Yeah, fine. So root 96 is the answer. Okay. So what we need to do here, whatever the things will come, we have to make it smaller first, like this way. Okay. Then only you can able to figure out the gaps. Fine now, this way. Okay, let's switch to next one now. Question number 2 now. Okay. Question number 2. Yes, it is a very interesting one. If x plus 1, comma 3x and 4x plus 2 are the consecutive terms of AP. Okay. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Okay, I'm keeping option below. And remember this consecutive term, which means just next to it. That means consecutive number. Option B is 3, option C is 4, and the last one, option D is 5. Now, figure out the answers. What will be the value of x here? Check this out. And let me know the answer, what to do, what you will do here. First number is this, second number is this, third number is this, which means AP is like this. How you will figure out the answer, let me know. How to figure out the x value. Let me check, anybody have answer? Nobody till yet. Okay. So as we see, this is our A1 value. As we see, this is our A2 value. As we see, this is our A3 value. Okay, these stands for what? At the place of 3, I mean at the place of first, x plus 1 is there. Second place, 3x is there. Third place, 4x plus 2 is there. That's the meaning of this. Let me check, anybody who got the answer of this. Option B, Ayan. Okay, fine. Let me check Ayan then. See here, for getting the x value, what we will do, we will like see, it is a given AP, right? Which means the gap will be equal, which means this gap and this gap will be equal. So with the help of gap, we will figure out the x value. So how to do this? For getting the gaps, what you'll do, A2 minus A1 only now. Correct? This minus this you will do to get the gap. Let me take arrow different color. A2 minus A1 you will do to get the gap. the way you find the gap, like 3 minus 2 you do na to get the gap, same way do it here. Okay, and same way getting the gap here, what you'll do, a3 minus a2, right? So just equate it, a3 minus a2. Now what the value of that one? So 3x minus x minus 1 will come here, 4x plus 2, and here what will come, 3x. Now here 4x minus 1 will come, this side what will come, x plus 2, and x that side, and 1 that side. Okay, last option is 3x, and this become 3, x become let me check, I just given the proper values. Did I had prepared the proper value here? 4x, okay, is it correct everything? Option B. Option B, you got it. Let me check mine now. Everything is correct. Did I kept correct everything? Where I am getting wrong one here. 4x minus 2 minus 3x. Everything is correct. Okay, let me, yeah, here is 2 actually, yeah. I was like thinking about that one, yeah. Okay, here this become 2. So 2x minus x become what? X only, na? Yeah, let me erase. Okay, those who got 3, that is the correct one. X value is a 3. Yeah, I was like, I just wrote it there itself. Yeah, the option B is the correct one. 3, x value 3. So what we did, a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2, because both are the gap is equal. That's why we did this. Okay, I think most of the answer is correct. Yeah. Question number 3 now. Let's switch to next. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, let's take a very easy one. This one also easy one. And whatever the question is there, we are taking from 2020 onwards to 2024 onwards. Okay, regarding this 5 years last, the first term of an AP is given. Of an AP is P. Okay, first term is P here, and the common difference is Q. Okay, find the 10th term. Okay, find the 10th term of this AP. Options we are providing below. What is this? Option is Q plus 9P. Option B, P minus QP. P minus 9. Wait. Just let me rage. You just figure out the answer. I'm keeping the options below. 9Q. Yeah. C option is P plus 9Q. Last option. 2P plus 9Q. Yeah. Figure out the answer of this 16th, I mean this 10th term. 10th term of this AP becomes what? Let me know. Ayan is getting A answer. Okay, let me check. Yeah, I feel that is a correct only, but I think no. Check it again, Ayan. Check it again. First term is given P, which means, let me write the answer below. Here, as per the answer, we know that A stands for what? First term. First term is what here? Here is P is the first term. D stands for gap. Gap is what? Common difference stands for Q. And as we know, the formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into D equal to AN. Is it okay? Question asking about find the 10th term. So n value becomes what? N becomes here 10. Okay, so keep the values now. P plus 10 minus 1. D is what? Q here, and A 10. Okay, and final answer will come what? 9Q is equal to A 10. Okay, so P plus 9Q. Anybody have answer of C? Let me check. Yeah, most of the answer is correct. Yeah. Okay, C option. P plus 9Q, A10, which means at the 10th place of this AP, this will come. P plus 9Q. Okay, so MCQ is getting well. Like, can you able to like brush up your previous concepts and all? Is it going well? Let me know in the comment section, then we'll proceed. Like, because after a long time we are doing this AP and all. That's why I'm asking this. Getting it, everyone? Yeah, fine. Okay, fine. Now next, now switch to section number B. 2 marks question each. Okay. Now, question is first one. Which term of the AP from this section, you just copy the question also, okay, for your reference, because later you will see maybe you will not get what was the question. That's why I'm telling you this. Copy the question also. Minus 1 by 2 comma dot 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 is 49 by 2, which mean AP is given till here only, okay. This is the term given. Question asking about which term, which mean which place this will come. Figure out, everyone. We have only two formulas in this, and just apply the formula, get the answer. First write the given part. First write the given part, then only proceed with answers. Question asking about actually the n value. Here, this term is given 49 by 2. The question asking about the n value of this. Which place 49 by 2 will come? So as per the things and all, I will also continue with my answer. You also continue. Here given is what? Given is a value we have, which is what? Minus 11 by 2. Okay. Gap, how to figure out? We will figure out what? Minus 3 minus 11 by 2 you'll do. Here this become 11 by 2. After taking as this one, we will get minus 6 plus 11, and the final answer become what? 5 upon 2. Okay, so gap is 5 by 2. Okay, and a an become what? 49 by 2. That is the question. Okay, so we got all the values. Okay, as we know, the formula is this. Okay, we kept the formula. Now put on the values below. Minus 11 by 2 plus n minus 1, d value is 5 by 2 is equal to an. So 49 by 2. Now n minus 1, 5 by 2. So 49 by 2 plus 11 by 2. Okay, let me erase that portion because we don't need this. Okay, I hope this is clear that d value we had subtracted and get it. Okay, I am erasing that part. This part which I am erasing now, that was the d value find. Okay, so just don't be get confused and all. Here n minus 1, 5 by 2 is there, is equal to, now here after addition what will come? 10 and 60. Yeah, 60 divided by 2. Okay, last answer n minus 1 and 5 by 2 as it is. This become 30. I'm writing each and every step, okay, for you and all, because like maybe you get confused. That's why I'm writing everything. This become like this. After cancellation 6 times n minus 1. So anybody got the answer of this? Let me know. 13. Yeah, fine. 6 into 2 become 12, and n that side, that become what? 12 plus 1, that becomes 13. Yeah. Yeah, fine. Correct one. Fine. Rest of you got the same one? Yeah, maximum number of people got the same answer. Fine. Understood this? N value, this is n I kept, okay, don't be confused. N value, n is equal to 13. Let me write here, n equal to 13, which mean at the 13th place this will come. Okay, now next question number B. Let me check. Yeah, fine. Question number B now. Question number B is, yeah, interesting question now. These question are like most of you know this, how to solve. How many two-digit number divisible by 3? Figure out this. First write the AP. What the AP will come? What the AP will come, just figure out. Two-digit number, okay? It will start by, just as you know, by which number it will start and by which number it will end. Okay? So it will start by 12, then it will be 15, then it will be 18. Last number will come what? It will come 99. Now, as we see, we have a value as a 12. Gap is what? 3. And the A, and what is that? 99. Okay? So as per the formula, we know this. Single formula only we have to get the answers of any question here. Okay, now here let me put the values. 12 plus n only we have to figure out. D is 3, an is what? An value is what? 99. Yeah, n minus 1 3, So 99 minus 12, and rest again you did after subtraction. 7 will come here, 7, and this become 8. After that 3 will go down, so 87 divided by 3. This will again 2 times and 9 times, and n value is 30. I hope everybody got the same answer, which mean total 30 numbers we have. Okay, 2-digit numbers, which is divisible by 3. Total 30 numbers we have. Let me check the others answer. N equal 30. Yeah, maximum of people got the same answer. Correct. Good. At least you're getting the concepts now. Yeah, fine. Next one now. Question number C. Question number C is, yeah, find the sum of, now it is a sum formula, okay? Sum of first 20 term, okay? Don't write this th. 20 terms of the AP we are providing below of the AP, and AP is below here. It is what? 1, 4, 7, 10, dot, 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 dot. Figure out the answers, everyone. What you will do here. Sum of first 20 term. As per the given part, we have here A value, which is what? 1. D value is 3. Okay. N value is what? 20. So we have to find what? Sn. So as we know, the formula is this: n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See, I kept the formula on the screen. You can just copy this and you can get me the answer of this. Nobody till yet. Okay, I will also figure out. So S20 I will write here, 20 upon 2. So 2 into 1. Do it fast, do it fast. Make a habit of writing the answers fast and all. Like slow writing and all will not help. D value will be 3. Here, after cancellation, it will come 10. This become 2. It is a 2 plus. 2 plus here, 19 into 3 will come. Okay. Here, 2 plus 93 become this 7 and 2 on the top, 57. Let me check anybody got the answer of this. Niranjan and Nirmal got 1140. Huh? Different answers here. What happened? Five. Here 10 into this will become 59 and final answer become 590. Yes, those who got 590, that is the correct one. Which means till 20 numbers we will add of this AP, we'll get 590. Let me check how many have got this. Yeah, Nirmal and Ayan, just check your answer again. That answer is like wrong. Till 20th number you will add it, you'll get 590. That's it. 590. Those who got 590, that is the correct. Yeah, Nirmal, fine. Maybe you will be like somehow mistaken all in the calculation part. Okay, 3 questions done for this one. Now switch to section number C now. 3 marks each. Okay, first one. I hope things are going well and easy way. All the questions we are picking from this 2020 to 2024. Okay. Now question is how many terms are there in AP whose first term is minus 14 and fifth term is 2. Okay, fifth term is 2. Put the full stop. The last term is also given. The last term is 62. Figure out first what are the given only. First, how many terms, which mean we have to write the n value. Just get it, the idea of this. How many terms it is asking about here. How many terms? Term stands for n only. Okay, the question asking about the n. What should come by the value of n here? Figure out, everyone. First write the given part, then only answer it. Here given is what? Whatever the given part. Here what is given? First term is given, which means a1 is given. A1 is what? -4. And fifth term now. So a5, fifth place, what is the number? 2 is that number. Here, wait, write down 14 here, okay? -14. Change it, everyone. -14 is there. Change it. Yeah. At the first plate is -14, fifth place is 2, and the last page, which means we don't know the last value, so a n equal to 62. These values we have. Check out the answer. How you will solve this? Check out this. These are the only given part. We have to figure out the n value. What is the n answer? How many terms? Okay, according to this, the equation will be, as we know, equation become a value we have, so a1 only now, so this become -14, and let me know, anybody have answer of this or not? We'll wait for somehow like some while and all. Just wait. Anybody have an answer of n? 18 and 20. Okay, fine. Let's check then. As we know, for the a5, what the equation can come? A plus 4d is equal to 2. Correct now? A plus 4d equal to 2 will come for the a5. Here, a value we know. What is that a value? See, a1 is already given, so that is only the first term now. A stands for what? A stands for first term. So keep the value here. -14 plus 4d equal to 2. From this one, you'll get the d answer. So 4d is equal to 2 plus 14. Okay. 4d equal to 16, and d value become what? 16 divided by 2. Answer it. Wait, 4 will come down. Yeah. 4 times. Yeah. D value is 4. Okay. So we got d also answered. How to figure out n now? So do we have a? So see, we have all the formulas now. All the values we have n minus 1 into d equal to an. Okay, we have a value which is what? -14 plus n minus 1 will write like this way. D value we have 4, an we have 62. Okay, n minus 1 into 4 equal to 62 plus 14. N minus 1 into 4 equal to this becomes 6 and 7. Yeah, n minus 1, so 76 divided by 4. After this, n minus 1 divided 1, and this become 9. N equal to what? 19 plus 1, this become 20. So the answer of this question is 20. That's all. Let me check how many have got the same answer. Yes. Yes. Those who got 20 as the answer, that is the correct one. See what we did here. By the help of this a5, we had to figure out the equation first. So a5 become what? A plus 4d only. What we did? 5 minus 1 actually. Okay. So 5 minus become 4. And then we got the d value from this. And again, we kept the same formula. And we kept all the values. We got the n answer. Okay. Everyone? Yeah, fine. Bhavishya and all. Nirmal. Good. Okay. First one done. Second number. Question number 2 now. Question number 2 is, yeah, maybe this question you will see for the first time. So, but still you just try to solve. This one is given. Otherwise, we'll help in this. 287. Yeah. We have to figure out the value of. Okay, wait. Don't copy. It is a 5 marks question. I just kept it. Wait. Don't. It is a 5 marks question. Okay, we'll keep it in the next session section. I kept the 5 marks question. Wait. How many questions we did for the section B? How many questions, boys and girls? Section. Okay, only one we did now. Yeah, question second. I kept for the 5 marks actually. Yeah, find the sum of all integers between 50 and it is 50. Okay, let me write again. This is 50, 50, 50, 50 and 500, which are divisible by 7. Figure out this. 50 to 500. Okay, the range is given 50 to 500. The number which are divisible by 7, we have to add all. So figure out what will come as a AP first. Here you have to write the AP first, then only proceed with the answers. First value will be what? It will be 56 will be the first value, right? After 50, this will be divisible by 7. And then after 56, what will come? It will come 63. Then like this way. Okay, the last term, what will come? Let me know the last term first, okay? Let me know the last term. Before 500, what will be the number? Anyone have idea? It will come 497, right? Yeah, correct. 497 will come. If you'll see the range 56 to 497, it is middle of 50 and 500. You'll see, and all are divisible by 7 only, okay? So now write the values now. A values become 56. Gap is what? 7. Last term is what? 497. Question is asking about find the sum, correct? But for finding the sum, we need a n value also, right? So here what we'll do first, we'll apply the formula to get the n value, then some formula, okay? So we'll apply the first formula, n minus 1 into d is equal to an, okay? Keep the values. 56 plus n minus 1, d value will be 7 equal to an. An is what? 497. Here as we see, n minus 1 into 7 and 497 minus 56, okay? N minus 1 into 7. After subtraction, it will come this. After this one, 441 divided by 7. After division, what will come? This will come 7 is 42 and 3 times. Okay, n value we got as 64. Okay, we had applied the first formula to get the n value. Now this n value we will use in the sum formula. Okay, okay, as we know, the sum formula is this. Only these are the two formulas which is there in the AP. Okay, let me check anybody got the answer also. Okay, 17696. Let me check. Okay, so NS64, so 64 upon 2 will come. 2 into 56. Again, n value is what? 64 minus 1. D value is 7. Okay, here 32 after division. And this will be multiplication what? 12 and this one become 112 plus 63 into 7. Do it properly, okay? Now 32 and 112, this will become 43. No, 21 2 in the carina, 44. Okay, after addition, 112 and 441 become, this become 3 and this become 5 and this one become, okay, after multiplication, how what you got the answer? Like I don't have the multiplication value here. All of you got the same answer. Let me just cross check again. Yeah, the multiplication part will be this only. Yeah, those who got this answer, that is the correct one. S64 17696. Let me check. 17696. Yeah, correct. 553. Ah, yeah, correct. Thanks. Yeah, thanks that one. Here 5 will come. Yeah. Multiplication is this 17696. Correct. I hope understood this one. Yeah, maximum of people got this. Yeah. Now question number 3 now. Third one. Third one is, write it. How many terms of AP is provided below 9, 17, 25, and keep a dots must be taken to give the sum of 636. Yes, figure out the answer of this. Here, just figure out first what the given value is there, okay? According to given part, try to figure out what you will do here. First at the given part. As we see, according to questions, the given part are, we have a value, which is what? 9. Okay, that is okay. Gap is what? Gap is, I think, 8, right? Gap is 8. Sum is given. Sn is given 636. Question asking about how many terms, which mean terms coming, which means we know that n value. Okay. So getting the n answer, just write directly the formula of n. Let's check what will come here. 2a n minus 1 into d. Okay. 636 s value we kept it, n value we have to figure out, so keep as it is. 2 into it become 2 into 9, this is 9, okay, plus n minus 1 as it is. D value is what? 8. I hope this clear now till here. Okay, after let's do this. N by 2, this become what? 18 plus 8n minus 8. Okay, I just multiplied inside. Here after this, 636 is equal to n by 2, and after this 18 minus 8 become what? 10 plus 8n. Okay, now after this I will divide the n inside, so this become what? 5 plus 4n. Okay, after this I feel we will get one equation. See, 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. See, we got the equation, and by the help of splitting method you get the answer. Understood? So split the middle term now, you'll get the answer of this. Split the middle part, everyone. Try this. Get me the n value of this. Split the middle term. Okay, I'm just doing directly because I'm having notes of this. After this we'll get after that we'll get this one. Okay, we split it in two parts. 53n minus 36, this will come. Okay, now here take common, here take a common. After taking common, this will come 4n, and here n minus 12, and here 53 common, n minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, first factor become n minus 12, second factor become 4n minus, 53 plus equal to 0. Now, first will become what? N minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, n value become 12. Second one is what? 4n plus 53 equal to 0. N value become what? Minus 53 by 4. Okay, as we know, the n value should not be in negative. So, which means this one you can't take it. So, which one will be the answer? This one will be the answer. I hope this will be clear now. N value 12. Yeah, fine. So how many terms which is having a sum of 636? Total 12 terms we had added to get 636. Is it clear, everyone? Just check it through again. This was the negative value. See, this was the negative. That's why we can't take the n value as a negative, right? No, that's why we had excluded this. This is answer. N value 12. Is it clear? You can put in the comment section. Just check it through again. I will wait for somehow like some seconds and all. Put the message in the comment section, please. Then only we can proceed with the last section. Let me check. Nobody kept the message. Okay, still you are just Focusing on the question only. Okay, focus it, no issues. Take your time. All okay, everyone? Only Ayan kept the message. Rest of you, I want the message, yeah. Like this way, like the class should be like engaged and all, completely engaged. Like this way, I don't want the class. Please, kindly just keep a message. That's why we had opened the chat box, not to just do the communication here. This much of students are joined, so at least all of you just you have to take put a message here, right? Keep a message below properly. Yeah, fine. Now let's switch to the last one. Okay, section number D, which is of 5 marks, and let me write the same question which I kept like mistake. Okay, solve. Question is 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus keep a dot plus x equal to 287. We have to figure out the x value. Think about it, boys and girls, what to do here to get the answer. First, it is a 5 marks problem, okay? So you have to write the proper content-wise answer. Just do it properly. First write the given part only. First write given part, then only proceed with answers. Given part. As we see here, let me start my answer. As we see, a value we have, which is 1. Okay, those who are confused, you can look at the board, okay? A value we have 1, okay? Gap we can see here, which is what 4 minus 1 will do, it will get 3, correct? Okay, last term also we have, what is that? X. See, last term we have now. And we have a sum, which is what? 287. This is what sum only, na, because it is a kept all addition here, see? That is some value. Now, according to these all the values, we can only proceed with what? Sn formula only. Okay. So we kept like this. We kept like this. And let's one by one just keep the values. Okay. So 287 is a sum. N only we have to figure out. So let me as it is 2 into 1 will come and n minus 1 and d become what? D become 3. I hope till it is okay. Yeah, next will be just solve it. This one 287 equal to n by 2. Okay, this become what? 2 and this become 3n minus 3. Okay, next 287 and then n by 2, this become what? 3n minus 1. Okay, and after the cross multiplication all 2 will go that side, so your things will go like this. 574 will come after multiplication. 574 will come here, n and 3n minus 1 as it is. Okay, 574, do it inside multiplication. This will be 12n, 4n, right? This is n only, right? So 3n, 3n square minus n. Okay, your final equation we got it. 3n square minus n minus 574 equal to 0. Okay, so again we got the equation, use a splitting method. So I'm just doing directly, okay? 3n square, and this will become what? Minus 42n plus 41n. Okay. Now next, take a common. So I'm doing very slowly. You're getting it now. I hope you're getting it. This here I have already my notes and all, so that's why just from directly I'm just keeping the values here below. Here 41 common, so n minus 14 again. So n value here becomes 14, correct? And the next n value become minus 41. I wrote it directly, okay? Minus 41 by 3. I hope this is clear now. How we got these two value, correct? Now, as you see, the n value is negative. So this is not applicable. This is only applicable, correct? But still, we are not getting the answer of this. So what to do here next? N value we got 14, right? So which means A14 is what? X only, now. This is what? 14th place. N value we got, right? So AN. See here we kept na AN. N place I'm keeping with a different color. N place we kept what now? 14. See, A14 as a X, correct? A14 stands for what? Let me write the equation of that one. A plus N minus 1 into D equal to X. Put on the value of A. A is 1. N is what? 14 minus 1. D is what? D is gap is what? 3. Okay. Equal to X as it is. Here 1 plus 13 into 3 equal to X, and 1 plus 39 equal to X. X becomes what? 4040. That is the answer. Check this out. What we did. Understood this? What we did? First we had applied the sum formula. Okay. From that sum formula we got the N value. Till is okay, everyone? And we can't keep this one because it is a negative value, so we are not taking that one. We have to take the positive one. Okay, now we have to figure out the value of X. N place we got as a 14, which mean at the 14th place only the X is there, which means we'll write this now, A14 as a X. I kept the formula of A value, A minus N plus 1. I kept all the values here. We got as X value what? 40. Is it clear? Yeah, fine. Those who got the same answer, correct one. Good. And did you understood this one? Just anybody have a doubt, you can keep a message. Anyone. Those who understood, no need to keep a message. I can like able to recognize that you got already. Those who are not getting it, just keep a message now. Those who are not getting, check this out. Anybody's here who are like getting confused in this? It is of 5 marks, okay? And you have tried the proper statement here. So the value of X and all. I feel nobody is having a doubt. So write a concluding statement, okay? It is a 5 marks, so we have to write a content. So the value of X is 40. Mention it in your answer. This conclusion is very important for the 5 marks problem mainly. For the 5 marks, very, very, very important. Keep like get it stuck in your mind, this one. So you have to write the conclusion. See what I did first, I wrote the given part. See these 4 parts are the given. Correct? Now these all the parts are what? Body part. All are the body. And here is the conclusion, last one. So given body conclusion, given body conclusion. This should be the pattern. Now let's switch to second question number. Question number 2. Yeah, question number 2 is, yeah, easy one. Which term of AP is provided here? -7, -12, -17, -22 will be -82. Okay, -82. This just now we had solved regarding kind of this question. So just you can start with the answers. Is -800 any term of AP? Yes. We have a 2 questions in the single question. Okay. First thing is asking about, as we see, the AP is provided here till here. Okay. It is asking about -82 will come in this AP or not. First thing is this. Second thing is, sorry, -82 will be at which position? See, this is at the first position. This is at second one. This is a third one. This is a fourth one. Same way, -82 will come at which position? That a question asking about first one. And here second is what? -100 will come as a position or not. So let's take it separately. So 5 marks problem. So write the given part first. Okay. So given A value we have, which is what? -7. Getting D's are difficult here because both are the negative value. D value will be -5. Okay. Now these things we have only, and the AN we have. AN is what? -82. So let's check. As we know, the formula of this is what? A minus N, D is equal to AN. Okay. Let's keep the values. -7 plus N minus 1. D value we have -5 is equal to -82. Okay. N minus 1 minus 5 is equal to -82 plus 7. Now N minus 1 minus 5, this become what? 75. Yeah. Now N minus 1, so -75 divided by -5. cancel out. N minus 1 equal to 15 will come. N equal to what? 16. Now check this out, which mean this minus 82 as which place? 16th place. Half answer is done now. Okay, let me check anybody got the same answer. Yeah, Ayan got the same answer, correct, 16. Okay, the 16th place, this 82 is there. So we got the first one. Now question second is asking you about minus 800 will come or not in this particular AP. So what to do? Do the same way, okay? Only one thing will be changed here. What is that changed? AN place keep what? Minus 100. That is the only change, okay? A value and the D value remain the same. Okay, let me write again formula, same thing. Okay, now keep the values again. Minus 7 plus n minus 1, d value is minus 5, and this is what? Minus 100. Okay, n minus 1 again minus 5, and this become plus 7, correct? Now next, minus 5, this become what? Minus 93. Okay, last one, this become 93 upon minus 5. Minus minus cancel, and here I'm writing that step now. N equal to what? 93 by 5 plus 1. So last answer become, I'm just doing directly here, 98 upon 5. Now tell me this, here n value we got 16. N value shows the position, which means the place in easy language, okay? Position or place. 16th can be the place, but tell me the fraction can't be the place, right? Place can be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Nobody have a like place like 98 by 5 and all. So if n value we are getting in fraction, which mean this minus 100 is not the number in the AP. I'm repeating it again. This minus 100 is not a number in this AP, particular AP, in this AP. Understood this, everyone? I am no need to go for this decimal. No need to write. We got the fraction here, which mean minus 100 is not the number in this AP. It will not come. Just you check now. Just let's take a cross check. Okay. See, we were having this 82. Okay. And what is the gap here? Minus 5, right? So see, let me write after the 82 part. Just check. Let's take a cross check here. See, minus 82 is there, and minus 5 is the gap now. So let's proceed further. Okay, let's check minus 100 will come or not. Here after addition, what will come? After this, 87 will come, then 92 will come, then 97 will come, then minus 1 or 2 will come. Now check this out. 100 is coming anywhere. See, 100, nothing is 100 here, right? So that's why that is the answer. Is it okay? Yeah, fine, fine. Now let's come to the last one. We are done with these two questions. Last one. Yeah, do it. Last one. The first term of AP is 3. Okay. The last term is 83. And the sum of all term is 903. Okay. Find the number of terms and common. Find the number of terms and common difference. First write a given part, okay? What are the given here? Then only proceed with the answer. Given part. And what the question asking about, that also write it down. Answer below. First write a given. As we know, the first term means a value, which means a value is given 3 here. First is done. Last term stands for an, which is what? 83. Sum is given, Sn is given 903. Let me check again. 903 is the value. Yeah, 903. Question is asking about number of terms, which mean n value, and common difference stands for d value. Yes. Figure out what to do here, boys and girls. Figure out this. How do you will get the answer of n and d? Do it. Last questions. So just in this question, let's take the time and solve. Try this. Try this, everyone. Try this. I can give you the hint. We have to use the both formula here to get the answer. Use the both formula. Both the formulas like a plus n minus 1 into d equal to an. Whatever value you have, just keep it now. 3 plus n value we don't have. D also we don't have. An is what? 83. And n minus 1 d as it is 83 minus 3. Okay, n minus 1 d as it is, this become 80. Now see here, that is the only trick here. What is the trick? Just take out the d value from this. So this will come this. Is it clear? D value n minus 1. Okay, it will go below. Now what we will do here, we'll put value of d in sum. Okay, we'll put the value of d in sum. Okay, s n equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is second formula, right? Now write the value. Sum for values given 903, n by 2 as it is, 2 into 3 is there, plus n minus 1 as it is. Okay, let me tell. D value, let me check a different color. See, d place what will keep? 80 by n minus 1. See, that will keep here. Is it okay? Now let's proceed now. 903 n by 2, this become what? 6. And as you see, we can cancel these both because that is n minus 1 and this is also n minus 1. So both got cancelled. 6 plus 80 will come. Okay. After this 903, after addition, what will come? This will become 86. Now 903. Now check it out. How we can cancel here? 43 times, right? So 43 n will come and the final value n becomes what? 903 divided by 43. Now let me know what should be the answer of this n answer. After division, what will come? After cancellation, n value, I think n value become 2 times 80, 86. Yeah, 21. N value we got as a 21. First one done. See, this part is done. Understood now what we did? We had applied the first formula. From this one, we got the D answer. Okay. Why we had taken the D value? There is a one trick here. What is the trick? See here. We kept the D place as 80 by n minus 1. Here we can easily cancel out that n minus 1, n minus 1. That's why we had taken out the n D value. Okay. That was the trick. Okay. We got the n. So just keep the n value here. I'm keeping with a different color. Wait. Here, keep the n value to get the answer here in the D formula. So I'm doing directly because we don't have that much of space here. 80 and D n value is this one. So 80 divided by 20, answer become 4. D value is 4. Write a concluding statement properly. Yeah, I think most of your answer is correct. Yeah. N value is 21, D value is 4. Check this out. There's a total 5 marks question. You have to write a concluding statement also below. Okay, don't miss out that one part. Is it okay? All the questions were okay. Let me know. Anybody have a doubt in any questions? Let me know. Then only we can like leave the meetings and all. I will stop sharing the screen. Anybody have a doubt in any question and all? Like, and one thing I will just ask, because after a long time we did this chapter. Like, uh, anybody any get a doubt and all, or like everything is okay? Like you got the brush up of every topics and all, and the classes went well. All the things were good, smooth and all. No doubt now. So actually, I feel the like PYQs are helping very much, right? PYQ is actually like helping you all very much. Yeah. So I feel let's how to solve the question like one. Find the last fifth term. I'm not getting Hitesh. Just message me personally, okay? So thank you. That's all. Thank you everyone for being here for like 1 hour. So every day we'll do like this way, okay? At least 1 hour we'll study for this. So thank you everyone. Like, thank you for this, for being here. You can leave the meeting, no issues for this. Jitesh, I think Ronaldo is a Jitesh only, na? Let me just get it sure. Ronaldo is Jitesh. Ashwit. Who is this Ronaldo? Yeah. So Jitesh, just text me personally, okay? Text me. We'll solve that out now only. Fine. You can leave the meeting, okay? You can leave the. We are done for today. Leave the meeting.